Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're going to talk about the Modelones Poly Gel Nail Kit, which we consider one of the best poly gel kits you can get. Whether you're a beginner or someone who enjoys doing nails at home, this kit is designed to make your DIY nail extension process smoother and more professional looking. The Modelones Poly Gel Nail Kit comes with everything you need to get started, including 6 beautiful colors of poly gel, an upgraded 8W nail lamp, a base and top coat, a nail file, a dust brush, and even dual nail forms to help shape your nails perfectly. It's a complete starter kit designed for anyone looking to try out nail extensions at home. One of the standout features of this kit is the high endurance and long-lasting results. Once applied, the poly gel stays intact for over 28 days, giving you strong and beautiful nails without the worry of chips or breaks. Plus, it's low odor and completely safe for your natural nails, so you don't have to worry about harsh chemicals. Using the kit is simple and straightforward. After preparing your nails, you'll apply the base coat, then the poly gel, and finally the top coat. Use the included 8W nail lamp to cure the nails in just 60 to 90 seconds, and you're done. The gel works with any nail art gel, base, top coat, or even gel polish. If you're looking to remove the poly gel, simply file it down and buffer your nails. If you're pressed for time, using a nail drill will help speed up the process and give you a cleaner finish. Modelones really thought about convenience when putting together this kit, and it's the perfect solution for anyone who wants salon-quality nails at home. So, if you're ready to level up your nail game, this poly gel nail kit might just be what you need. Check it out and let us know how it works for you. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.